Hi, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. If you have a Facebook business page and you've been using their analytics product, you may have received an email that looks something like this. What they're telling you in the email is that Facebook Analytics is going to go away on June 30th, 2021, but you can still download your data before that date. So we're going to show you how to access that and quickly download your data. So if you're logged into your Facebook business page and you go to the Facebook's analytics page, and we'll put the link to the page in the description below, you'll get a menu that looks like this. Then you click on your account and it takes you to this page. And you can see that Facebook is again telling you that analytics is going away. And if you click on the Learn More button, it takes you to the analytics page and again telling you that it is going away on June 30th. But if you click on the download button in the top right corner, you can download your data. So let's go look at that. So on this chart, you'll see download data. Click on the right arrow and save it where you like. All right, and I hope this helps you download your data from Facebook Analytics. You can always come over to BTFOOM.com for more help with SEO issues, and subscribe and like us on YouTube to stay up to date on all our SEO tutorial videos. Thanks.